Greetings to you all. Welcome to Easwary's English. In this video, we are going to see short questions for the prose Unit 4 in 10th standard, The Attic. Already I had told you have to write short questions for 6 marks in your examination. 3 into 2, 6. 3 questions you have to attend. 4 questions will be there in part 2, section 1. Each question carries 2 marks, so totally 6 marks in question number 15, 16, 17 and 18. This is Satyajit Ray, the author of this lesson, The Attic. When did Aditya leave the local school? Aditya left the local school after he had passed the matriculation examination. Why did Aditya think that the school would not be recognizable? Aditya was going to visit the school after 29 years. The school may have undergone many changes in these years, so he thought that the school would not be recognizable. Who were Aditya's ancestors? Aditya's ancestors were Zamindars. How was the landscape through which they travelled? The landscape was spotted with paddy fields on either side of the road. What did Aditya visit? Aditya visited his old school. Later he visited Nogan uncle's tea shop, his old house, jeweller's shop and the house of Jogesh Kabiraj. Jogesh Kabirajோட வீட்டில் தான் சானியால் இருந்தாருன்னு அங்கே போனாங்க இல்லையா? Where was Nogan uncle's shop? Nogan uncle's shop was next to a grocery shop and opposite to Lord Shiva's temple. Besides tea, what did Nogan uncle have in his shop? Besides tea, Nogan uncle had biscuits and savouries in his shop. What did Nogan uncle tell about Sanyal? Nogan uncle told that Sanyal could not hear and see well and he had no money to buy spectacles. In what way was Mr. Sanyal's behavior strange? Mr. Sanyal suddenly stood up, stretched himself and raised his lean right arm. With eye dilated, he began to recite the poem Pankraksha by Tagore. In this way, his behavior was strange. What did Nogan uncle tell about Sanyal's past life? Nogan uncle told that Sanyal led a cursed life. He had sold his lands for his daughter's marriage and lost his wife and only son the year before. How did Sanyal show that he had a sense of self-respect? Sanyal showed his sense of self-respect by paying money for his tea and biscuits in the tea shop. Why was the attic a favorite place for the children? The attic was a favorite place for the children because they seemed to be in a world of their own. What did Aditya do on reaching the attic? On reaching the attic, Aditya pushed his hand inside the ventilator and searched for something. That is the medal. What did Jewellers say about the article? The jeweller said that the article was an antique. Antique நகைகள்னா பழமையானது. Was Sanyal happy about his visitors? No. Sanyal was not happy about his visitors. Why did Sanyal recited the poem in a tea shop earlier? Sanyal recited the poem so that Aditya could remember and recognize him and feel his mistake. Pandraksha. What was engraved on the medal? The words Shriman Sasanka Sanyal, Special Prize for Recitation 1948 was clearly engraved on the medal. Then paragraph question will be there in 29 to 32. You have to answer any two. 4 questions will be there. You have to write 2. Give a detailed account of all thoughts and questions in the narrator's mind while accompanying Aditya from the tea shop to Sanyal's house. The narrator and Aditya had visited Aditya's village after 29 years. They went to Nagan uncle's tea shop. They met Sasanka Sanyal there. Sanyal suddenly stood up and began to recite the poem Pandraksha by Tagore. The narrator doubted that Sanyal was a little crazy, and also he could notice a sudden change in Aditya's expression while hearing Sanyal's recitation. So he asked Aditya the reason for it, to which he did not answer. Aditya inquired Nagan about Sanyal. On their way to go to meet Sanyal again, Aditya expressed his wish to visit his old house. The narrator asked him whether he really wanted to visit his house. The narrator witnessed Aditya heaving a sigh of relief when he had got a medal in the attic. Not knowing the fact, the narrator eagerly asked the reason for it. Aditya did not answer him there as well. Later they went to the jeweler to find out the weight of the medal. The narrator could not understand why Aditya behaved like that. They went to Kabiraj's house, where Sanyal stayed. Aditya confessed Sanyal for his act of stealing his medal which he got for recitation. Only then the narrator knew the answers for all the questions in his medal. Now we have completed the question answers and paragraphs. Hope you have understood the lesson well. Please take down all the questions and paragraph in your notebook. If you like this video, please share it to your friends and please subscribe our channel. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching.